In this video, I will show you how to install extensions on Google Chrome. To begin, open up the Google Chrome web browser on your desktop or laptop. Once Chrome is open, type Chrome Web Store into the address bar and hit enter. Now, click on the exact search result that appears with this link, make sure it's the official site. Here you are at the Chrome Web Store. To explore available extensions, click on Extensions located in the left. You can browse through various recommended extensions or select specific categories tailored to your needs. Alternatively, if you have something particular in mind, use the search bar at the top of the page to find specific extensions. Once you've found an extension that piques your interest, simply click on it to view more details. To install it, click on the blue Add to Chrome button located at the right side of the screen. A pop-up will appear asking for confirmation. Click on Add Extension to proceed with the installation. The extension will now download and automatically install onto your Google Chrome browser. This process typically takes just a few moments. Once installed, you'll see a notification confirming that your new extension is ready for use. To access all installed extensions, look for an icon resembling a puzzle piece in the top right corner of your browser. Click on this icon to reveal a menu showcasing all active extensions. If there are certain extensions you want easy access to every time you browse, simply click on the pin icon next to each extension name. This action will pin them directly onto your toolbar for quick access. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.